Okay, fine. Seems to be not responsible. Anyways, okay, let me share my screen and then we'll start the sessions. Okay.
No basic ideas, sir.
Okay.
No basic ideas. But we
Okay.
can attend some sessions.
Okay, fine. Fine. Do you know? Means like say, doing online classes are like one-way conversation, and I really don't like it. Okay, so it's my request from you all that you also ask me questions, or you can just raise your hands in between if you have anything to ask me. But just be interactive, because I will also not feel like I'm talking to robots right now. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Just let me know if it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Visible है सभी को?
No, sir.
Not yet.
Yes, sir.
Is it visible now? Everyone?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
So there are many things to start up with, okay, but the very first thing that every hacker should do is information gathering. See, abhi main aap logo ko batata hu kuch basic cheezein, the things that you should know, okay? Because see, now the biggest problem that students face nowadays is that when they go to an institute or anywhere, okay, they learn many things over there. They learn information gathering, they learn this hacking, that hacking, XYZ hacking, okay? But when they come back home and they try themselves, those methods don't work out. Do you know the reason behind it? See, I was also a student once, still I'm a student, I keep on learning things, okay? So the thing is like people in the market, they are teaching you the things which were actually working out few years back, like for example 5 years or 6 years back, okay? Still they are having the same modules. Obviously the name of information gathering will remain the same, take care. ऐसा नहीं कि information gathering part 2 हो जाएगा, it will not be there, it will be information gathering, but the content inside is very important, okay? Those things are not getting updated. Seriously, I'll tell you, I've hacked into the websites of many companies which are actually cybersecurity companies. So my simple question is that a person who cannot secure himself, how can he secure others? Okay. Anyways, let's see. And just one thing from you all. If you are having a notepad or something like that, you just take it out to write down the keywords. No need to write the notes. I'm not in the favor of writing those things. Okay, just note down the notes. Note down the keywords, because see, that will be the best thing for you to research upon. Okay, after the class is over. Because it's not possible for me कि 8 साल में मैंने जो like whatever I've learned, whatever I've researched, I cannot deliver all those things in just few minutes. Okay, so that's why it is advisable to do that. So fine, we'll start up with information gathering. I'm just writing out over here inside notepad. Okay. Info gathering, or you can say intelligence gathering, both are the same thing. Okay. Then there will be we'll be moving into means like finding the vulnerabilities, okay? And then after that we'll be going into directly hacking, okay? Or you can say exploitation. Is first of all, these are 3 basic steps to do any particular task in hacking. First one is gathering the information about the target. Second thing is finding the vulnerabilities. Okay, now see, what are vulnerabilities? Vulnerabilities are like you can say the weakness inside any security system or any kind of IT system. Okay, vulnerability is just a weakness or bug, you can say. Now the exploit is what? In order to get something out of it, of the vulnerability, we use some codes to get a reverse TCP connection maybe, or to get the database, to get the username and passwords, whatever. Okay, so those are exploits, right? So today we'll be dealing with only Pakistani websites. आज हमारे पास ज़्यादा time नहीं है, तो I won't be having that much time to show you hacking into your Android phone completely. Yes, I will show you. Okay, then means like there are many things that can be done. For now, today we'll start up with the website hacking, and I'll just teach you only those things which are really very important. Okay, so first of all, सबसे important part क्या है? Hacking करने से पहले सबसे important part होता है to find out the point of injection or the point of hacking, means like point of vulnerability. It is not that the whole website or whole operating system or whole network is hackable. No, there is some weakness, some vulnerability available that you need to find out. Only then you will be able to go inside that. Okay. Somebody is trying to join. अगर आप लोगों को कुछ ना समझ में आए, if you are feeling like something is going very fast, just let me know. Okay. So today, first of all, we'll just find out, we'll select a target for us. Okay. Obviously, I'll not be selecting an Indian website. I'll be using Pakistani websites as my target. So let's go to our Google. Yes, anybody? Anything?
No, sir.
So here is Google. Now see, abhi kya, everybody knows what is Google, and everybody has done many types over here, like searching and all. Okay, but there are advanced way of searching. Okay, like for example, if you want to search anything, you just type anything over here. Okay, that is the searching that you do. But it is not the case with the hacking. Okay, in this case, you need to do use some docs and all. अभी जैसे देखो मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है in URL, ठीक है, in URL.php !id is equal to and then space site :pk. So here two keywords are being used, in URL and site. Okay, even grammar is there available over here in the case of Google. Google search में भी grammar है, उनके भी keywords होते हैं. You need to know about those things. So those are called as Google Docs. Okay, अभी क्या, there are many Google Docs available, but obviously lack of time is there. So I'm giving you one link from where you can learn all those Google Docs. Okay, जब भी अगर आपको सीखना हो तो GHDB लिखना, GHDB press enter, you'll get the expert database link. ठीक है. From here you can see there will be many Google Docs over here. ये बहुत सारे predefined search docs है, ठीक है, जो कि hackers use करते हैं, that we use normally to get some specific kind of information. Like for example, sometimes we may get the username and passwords directly saved onto some files available in a web server. Okay, so if you want to go for this, like sometimes you need to see the webcams, sorry not webcams, the IP cameras. Just when I was in my college days, I used to have the control, means I could see the camera of, means like of my entire college. Okay, at every corner, means I could see who's coming in, who's going out, everything. I could see just in my own laptop. So similarly, you can also do those things. All that you need to do is you need to know the exact kind of page that is hosting those kind of things. Okay. So उन चीजों को जानने के लिए you need to go deeply through GHDB. Okay. And there are many more. Means like you can see 435 pages are here. So it's not possible to go through all of them, okay, at once. But फिर भी you can just go through them one by one if you get time later on. It is your research work, you can say. Because आज मैं miss whatever I'm doing right now today, it's not for just today. I'm doing it just to make a permanent impact on you. Okay. बाद में आप लोगों को अगर research करना हो तो you can use this thing. GHDB, remember it. GHDB. I will just copy the link and send it on your message box so that you can check it out later on. Fine. So coming back to our Google. So यहाँ पे मैंने क्या लिखा, in URL.php !id is equal to site.pk. Now see, .php !id is equal to. I hope that everybody has seen this kind of pattern in the URL. I think सभी लोगों ने देखा होगा कि बहुत सारे वेबसाइट्स के URL में ऐसा पैटर्न होता है. So अगर मुझे स्पेसिफिकली वैसे ही URLs ढूंढने हैं ना, तो मुझे गूगल को बताना होगा, ठीक है, कि मुझे वही URL चाहिए. Okay, I want that kind of URL. So for that I need to specify the keyword in URL. In URL is a keyword used inside Google Docking which specifies a particular pattern or a string or anything, okay, which when matches comes into your result. Okay, तो अभी मैंने Google को बोला कि miss I want websites which are having this kind of pattern. Then I said that site should be .pk, means the domain should be .pk domain. Okay, now you will see the output over here. Every single website is a Pakistani website and it is having the same kind of URL. ID is equal to, you can see ID is equal to, ID is equal to, ID is equal to, everywhere the same thing. Fine. So this is how we just find out the URLs. Now see why I followed this kind of URL. Remember, websites which contain such kind of URLs are most prone to SQL injection and cross-site scripting. Okay, अभी एक SQL injection क्या चीज़ है, cross-site scripting क्या है, उसके साथ बहुत सारे attacks और भी होते हैं, जो कि means like if you really want to go inside website hacking, deep inside it, okay, you need to learn few things. See, I'm also into bug bounty and all, so I know that what all things are actually required, okay, to hack into a website. See, I'll just show you a small overview. If you can see my screen, ये Microsoft का latest bounty record, bounty available है हमारे पास. So this is bounty awards available. If you can see, if you find out, okay, any kind of vulnerability in these many domains, you can see login.windows.net, login.microsoft.online, login.live, ये सारे किसके websites हैं? These are the websites which belong to Microsoft. If you find any vulnerability, okay, over here in these websites, Microsoft can pay you up to $1 lakh. $1 lakh is really very hard. Okay, $1 lakh काफी बड़ी amount है. Okay, so you can see, and what is that? Elevation of privilege attack. Okay. फिर यहाँ पे दूसरा एलिवेशन ऑफ प्रिविलेज है, स्पूफिंग है. इसमें आप देख सकते हो कैन सी एक्सेसेस इज हियर, क्रॉस साइट स्क्रिप्टिंग, CSRF. तो इफ यू वांट टू गो फॉर these all bounties, obviously this is not meant for you right now for the beginners, but if you want to go for it, you have to be having very good knowledge in all these website based attacks. Okay, इसके लिए आपको क्या करना होगा? Just search for OWASP top 10. Okay, search for this and you will get top 10 classifications of most dangerous kinds of attack that can be done onto a web application. Okay, अभी यहाँ पे सारे attacks लिखे होते हैं, सारे classification. उसके बाद means like for every classification you have to learn all those attacks. But for that entire course is there, that is huge, that is really huge. Okay, you cannot do it in just 1 or 2 days. It may take months. So out of those top 10, today I will be dealing with the first number, that is injection. Inside injection I will be dealing with just one of them, that is our SQL injection. Okay, so let's see. Okay, how many of you know what is SQL injection? Just as a definition, little bit. It's like I'm not asking the entire definition.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
SQL injection क्या है पता है? Means like overview पता है उसका?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. जिन लोगों को नहीं पता है उनके लिए मैं इसमें एक बार बता देता हूँ. See, SQL injection, you can say, first of all, let me explain you injection, because injection is the main thing. Okay, that is the main classification. Below that there comes SQL injection. Injection means inserting of a malicious query into the web application to get a desired output. Simple सी बात. Okay, inserting a malicious query inside the web application to get a desired output. That can be anything. अभी उसके बाद आता है हमारा SQL injection. अगर मैंने SQL जब मैंने लिखा ना, अभी मैंने I just said right now inserting a query. So if it is a SQL query, so it becomes SQL injection. If it is a XML query, it becomes XML injection. If it is a HTML query, it becomes HTML injection. If it is a LDAP query, it becomes LDAP injection. If it is a NoSQL query, it becomes NoSQL injection. Okay, so it is all injection. Okay, these are the different types. Just okay. अगर मैं SQL को attack कर रहा हूँ तो SQL injection हो जाएगा. That's all. So here, websites with such kind of URL are most prone to hacking. Okay, and they might be having the SQL injection, or you can say just injection. Okay, and sometimes maybe XSS. But today I'll not be dealing with XSS today because we don't have that much time today. Fine. So abhi ek we'll just open some random websites which we can use for our hacking purpose. So I normally do not make notes or something like that. So I'll be randomly choosing the websites. क्या ना बहुत जगह प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है कि many of the people what they do, they are having virtual websites, like they create the website a virtual kind of platform जिसमें कि पहले से vulnerability है and they show all the attacks over there. But that is I don't think that is the perfect way to teach. Why? Because you teach someone onto a virtual platform and the student goes back to the home and then he just practices that thing on the real platform, real website. Okay, so in virtual platforms what happens, there are no firewalls, there is no WAF, there is no honeypots, nothing is there. वहाँ पे कोई security measure नहीं होता virtual में. But आप जब real में attack करते हो, when you attack on a real website, then there what happens, there are chances कि there will be there can be anything, there can be IDS, there can be IPS, there can be honeypots. अब ये सारी चीजें क्या होती है? IDS, IPS, you can write on these names for your research purpose later on. Okay. अभी मैंने कुछ दिन पहले ही एक इसका किया था. Okay, so let me first of all show you what is this. This is fcibank.com.pk, Pakistani. Okay, First Credit and Investment Bank Limited. Okay, so we just got the URL. Okay, मैंने जब यहाँ पे Google search किया था तो it gave me the long URL. Okay, so stick to that URL only. Fine, because that was having the exactly same pattern which we wanted. Okay, तो हम वापस से उस URL पे जाते हैं जो मैंने लिया. ठीक है, this was the URL which was given to me by the Google. गूगल ने मुझे ये URL दिया था, इसमें लिखा हुआ था you can see page ID is equal to and then some value is written over here. Okay, whenever you want to test it, okay, whether this website is hackable or not, so it's not key you have to directly attack onto this. Okay, first you can just do some kind of little bit you can say some testing you can do. यहाँ पे एक single quotation mark डालो, okay, single quotation mark and press enter. So see, if you just press single quotation mark, that actually ये जो है ना percentage 27, don't get confused over here. Okay, percentage 27 is the single quotation mark which you gave. Okay, it converted to percentage 27. Now percentage 27 is the URL encoding. Okay, किसी भी चीज को आप जब URL में पास करते हो ना तो उसकी URL encoding हो जाती है by default. तो single quotation mark is the same thing. Okay. So now you can see when you gave this particular single quote over here, what happened? It gave you some errors. Okay. So if you are facing any errors, okay, if you are facing these kind of errors, then don't worry. This is a good thing actually. Okay. Nobody likes errors, but hacking में errors are the best thing that we can have. Okay. क्योंकि जो errors होते हैं ना, वो हमें कई बार ऐसे information दे देते हैं जो normally we do not get. That is a crucial information maybe. Like for example, you can see. Up till now, I was knowing nothing about this particular website. Okay, this website, I was not knowing the name of the database. I was not knowing the name of the table names inside the database. You know that every website is having databases. Okay, maximum of them. If that is not a normal static website. Okay, like for example, your college websites, you must be having student login. वहाँ पे आप लोग attendance and everything must be recorded and everything must be displayed over there. So वो सारी चीजें that is actually stored inside your database. Fine. So here you can see up till now I was not knowing that what database is there in this particular website. Okay, but now you can see in the error only it will tell you many things. If you can see this. Okay, यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है? Select start from page. So page is a table where page ID is this. So we got two parameters right now. अभी तक मेरे कुछ भी parameters नहीं पता थे, but now अभी मेरे को दो parameter पता है. It means like if you want to attack onto this website manually, you can do it. But since you all are you all are just started into hacking right now, so I won't be going into the manual way because that will just confuse you, nothing else. Okay, so we'll be seeing some automated ways. So अभी देखो यहाँ पे percentage 27 was single quotation. Delete it again, and this was the actual URL where you got the error. Remember this thing. I see many people they do a SQL injection and then they say sir attack नहीं हो रहा. Why? Because they try to attack onto the website directly from here. No, if you want to attack, you have to choose the same URL where you got the error. हमें error कहाँ मिला? इधर मिला. तो मुझे ये पूरा URL copy करना पड़ेगा. I will just copy this entire URL. Okay, and then after that, अब जैसे देखो ये भी वेबसाइट है. It is Aqua City Enterprise of Pakistan. ये military coats बनाती है पाकिस्तान में. ठीक है? Military के gloves and all everything. So here also ID is equal to 1. ठीक है, single quotation mark डाला, enter किया. You can see here also I got an error. If you can see my SQL error is here. So whenever you are getting error, that is for sure कि ये website hack होगा ही होगा. बाकी it's up to you. You can just give it a try later on. ठीक है. So we'll stick to this right now. Okay, so to hack into this, you can either use your SQL statements that you write manually, or if you don't want to write it manually right now, see, I will tell you all, I will advise everybody to do things manually. अभी के लिए चलो कोई problem नहीं है, but in future, yes, you have to do it manually because you cannot rely upon tools. ठीक है ना? So here we'll be using today SQL map. Okay. This is SQL map. You can download this SQL map software from here, tool from here. Okay, यहाँ पे हमारे पास zip file है. You can just download it from directly here. Now, मेरे पास already downloaded है, so I just started. You have to now see the process of starting it. These things. Okay, this is my PowerShell. I have kept it in on my desktop. Okay. So I have kept it over here. You can see the files are here. These are the files. These are the files which we have over here in the SQL map. Okay. Now अभी क्या है कि अभी यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हो it is a py file. So It is a py file, so you need to have Python inside your system. If you don't have Python, it will not work. Right? So make sure you have Python installed in your system. बाकी Python आपको download कहाँ से करना है? You will know that. Okay, it's open, so you will get it. And one more thing, Python में दो version है हमारे पास 2.x and 3.x. Don't go for 2.x, use 3.x. Okay, that will be better. Okay, so here Python 3.9.4, 9.5, you can use any one of them. That will be good. Don't go for 2.x. Okay. So we have right now SQL map. So Python space SQL map.py space -u. -u stands for URL. So अभी आपने जो URL copy किया, just paste it over here in the quotations. Okay. Python SQL map.py -u and then the entire URL space -dbs. Okay, that stands for database. अभी देखो, the structure of database is how, like first of all there will be database, then there will be table names, then there will be columns, then there will be data. तो सबसे पहले हमें क्या ढूंढना होगा? First thing that we need to find out is the name of the database. So this is the command that I've given over here. Now see, SQL map is actually a complicated tool. There are many commands. Okay, right now I'm using just a simple one. So whenever it asks you for something like if they ask you for any like cookie, something like that, if they just give you some kind of cookies, just do it yes. Okay, don't think so much, just give yes and press enter. Declare cookies, again it is asking, fine, give it yes. Okay, so we got it. You can see available databases over here. We got 3 databases. एक मिला के information schema, then FCI bank _ FCI _ Urdu, and then we got FCI bank _ something .fci. Okay, so we got 3 databases. But remember one thing, we should not pay attention to this one. Whenever you find this name name of this database, don't go for it, because it is a predefined database, a system generated database. So उसपे कोई information ज़्यादा नहीं होगा. You have to find out. You have to use databases other than this, like this one or this one, anyone. So अभी हमारे पास 2 database है. We can just choose any one of them if you want. I'm selecting for this one, for example. So now we have got the database. So we'll write the -t over here, and we'll write the name of the database over here. Okay, and then after that --- tables, and press enter, because we want table names now. Yes, same as before. So we got it. You can see there are 19 tables inside this database: language, user, audit, and different names are different tables are over here. So now see, you can just see the content of all these tables, but why not to select only the table name which can be having something important for us? Okay, like users. Maybe it is having the username and username and password of the person who is actually handling this website. Maybe. Okay, so we'll check this particular table name. Okay, so we got the table name also, so capital T, and then after that user, let's user yes, and then -w. Okay, and press enter. Now see what happens. Okay, so it is asking me to store. No, you need to crack. No, I don't want to crack right now. It can also crack the password for you. Okay, now see, we got it over here. Email ID is this much, last name is this, password is this. You can see the username FCI bank NASI. Okay, this is the username and this is the password. Okay, that you can see over here. So we have got the username and password of the website. Okay, if you want, you can log in into this website by finding the page from where they log in, and you can make the changes over there. Now see, अगर मैं किसी वेबसाइट के कंटेंट को देख सकता हूँ, तो like if I can see the content of the database, I can also modify the database. I can also delete the database. Anything can be done. So right now अभी मैंने आपको बस एक simple सा SQL map का सिर्फ एक simple सा command बताया. There are many things inside SQL map. If you just type over here Python, okay, space SQL map.py sorry, dot py space minus h, sorry, minus hh. Okay. So these are the entire list of commands available inside SQL bar. You can see it is a long list, very long list. अभी क्या है ना कि अभी मैंने I just did all these hacking right now, which was actually I was not taking any countermeasures, security measures. Okay. मैंने अभी कोई security measure नहीं लिया था. It's like if there is someone sitting onto the server over there into FCI bank, they might be getting my IP address. Okay, but I am not worried about that because India and Pakistan don't have a cyber treaty. Okay, so वो कुछ कर भी नहीं सकते. Anyways, so that's why I told you all to choose that domain. Now, see, if you want to keep your identity hidden, अगर आप चाहते हो कि आपका identity hidden है, so in that case you have to use some other commands too. That will actually hide your IP address and nobody will be able to trace back what was the actual. Yes, tell me.
Okay, just wanted to ask you a doubt that whenever you do this hacking task, okay, so
Your voice is hello.
Yeah,
Yeah,
can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can hear you, but your voice is too feeble. Attend me.
Okay. So whenever you try such thing, so your IP address goes there?
Yes, obviously, yes, it will go.
Okay, fine.
Okay, so that's why I told you all ना कि use Pakistani domains for now. अभी Indian website पे try करोगे, it may be a problem. Okay.
Okay, fine, not a problem.
But लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि you cannot hide yourself. You can hide yourself, but for that there are other different methods. Okay, inside this only. But आज वक्त नहीं है हमारे पास इतना, so I won't be able to. Okay. But I will share you an article जो मेरा खुद का blog है. I will share my blog. In that you can see that.
Okay, fine, sir.
Arush Singh, sir, can't we use virtual machines? See, virtual machine आप use कर सकते हो, but again the same problem. See, you will be using virtual machine. Either it will be on the NAT connection or it will be on the bridge network. Okay. In both the cases, you will be using your base IP address. In both the cases. Okay. तो आपका public IP address same ही रहेगा. So now हमारे system का दो IP address होता है. We have a public IP address and we have a local IP address. So local IP address से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. If you cannot hide your public IP address, then there will always be a problem. Okay. Okay, Anush?
Sir, local is not routable, sir.
That's why. So if you want to do it, you can better use ngrok. Local को अगर route करना है ना, if you want to use means like route your local IP address through SSH tunnel, you can use ngrok. Okay. I don't know you have done it or not. But
Sir, everyone has used ngrok because that phishing pages are mainly hosted on
तो
ngrok.
फिर yes, so you can use ngrok for the same purpose here also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can we jump the IP address as we see? Yes, you can do it. You can jump your IP address by using either you can use a Tor chain for that, okay, if you want, or you can use अगर आपको ज़्यादा means like technical नहीं जाना, तो for that just a minute. Yes, you can use proxy for that. Okay, it's a tool that is available. Sorry, yes, same one. Okay, yeah, you can search for this. Okay, it will ask you for the list of IP addresses, and then it will keep on jumping from that to after a particular interval of time. Okay.
So RDP will be a good option.
RDP, no, it will not be a good option. But because see, your host will never, you will be broadcasting many things inside RDP. Your MAC address will also be broadcasted. If your MAC address is broadcasted, what will happen? You know that because अगर आपका MAC address leak हुआ तो फिर they can even get the serial.
Harmful than IP address, yes.
Yes, so it's better to stay away from that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, no, see, there are many things. बहुत सारे तरीके. It's like there are tons of ways to do it. But as I told, आज वक्त नहीं है हमारे पास इतना कुछ discuss करने का. ठीक है? Like for example, you can also use Freenet. एक Freenet P होता है. Okay. Freenet is also very secure. इसका नाम ही है Freenet. इनको search कर लेना. Okay, fine. So this was SQL injection. Okay, but inside SQL injection also there are many different kind of SQL injections. Okay, today we dealt with just one of those kinds. Okay, Citric. That was error-based SQL injection. जो आज हमने deal किया. ठीक है. इसके बाद there are many different other ways too, like blind. We have Boolean-based. We have union-based. You have time-based or delay-based. You can say. So there are many different kind of SQL injections too. In short, if you really want to get a job or if you really want to start up in the industry of cyber security, or you can say web application pen testing, you should be very much means like you should be having a good knowledge about the OWASP top 10. ये तो आप पक्का लिख ही लो, ठीक है? It's like you have to do that. OWASP top 10. It's really very important because the OWASP top 10 comes in 3 to 4 different forms. One is OWASP top 10 web application that you are seeing right now. एक होता है इसके बाद OWASP top 10 mobile vulnerabilities. Okay, like if you are into mobile application pen testing, then for that. Okay, क्योंकि mobile के applications भी hack होते हैं आपको पता ही है. So for that we have mobile top 10. Then we have OWASP top 10 cloud that is more targeted towards the AWS kind of things. Okay, Azure, or you can say Google Cloud, DigitalOcean, or Roku. Okay, these all things. Anyways, those are.
Sir, I have some notes of OWS OSAP top 10 of my own. Should I share?
You can do one thing. You can share it to me personally later on. Okay, अभी share करेंगे तो सारा time इसी में चला जाएगा. Okay. Hello.
The use of proxy fire, sir.
Use of proxy fire. It is used for proxy chaining. Proxy chaining. Okay. Muhammad Rahil actually asked question over here. So can we jump the IP address? Yes, it can be done. Okay. So jumping of the IP address can be done through proxy fire. Okay. And there are many different other ways too, but this is the most convenient and easy way. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Okay, now see, we are having different other tons of ways to keep ourselves anonymous. Okay, अगर आपको ज़्यादा tension नहीं पालना तो फिर you can just go for Tails OS.
So today only I download Tails OS for Tor.
So you can use Tails OS. It's really good. Okay, or if you have a Kali operating system, you can convert it directly, no problem. Kali or Parrot or Black Arch Linux, anything. Anyways, just leave those topics right now. So coming back to our main topic. So today, actually, I was about to discuss about web application hacking a little bit, and then a little bit of mobile pen testing. Now see, mobile hacking, or you can say Android hacking, can be done in 2 different ways. Again, the same thing, either using tools or by using your programming directly. Okay. So right now we have 2 options. One is Spynode and one is Metasploit. Okay. Spynode is it's a Trojan kind of thing, okay, but it's really very costly. It's going to cost $4,000. So it is really costly. I do have that with me. I'll show you. Okay, and the second one is Metasploit, which is free. It's free of cost, but complicated to use. Okay. Normally, Metasploit is used by security researchers, and Metasploit is actually available for Windows also, for Linux also, but don't use it on Windows. Windows पे कभी use मत करना, ठीक है? नहीं तो Windows means like in Windows there are many problems. Your Windows will be hanging a lot, so it's better not to use it.
So use in Linux, sir.
Linux is better. In Linux is better.
Okay.
Sir, mobile payloads of Metasploit or MSF Venom are not working fine nowadays.
I know. I was knowing that you all are having this issue. Okay, but it's not that. Let me show you that thing right now. Okay, right
Yes.
away I'm showing you. So अभी मैं वैसे भी मोबाइल हैकिंग बताने वाला था, तो कुणाल ने जो क्वेश्चन पूछा ये बिल्कुल रिलेवेंट है अभी. Okay, so just see it. Where is? See, actually I'm into forensics too, since do cases means like I solve cases for Ahmedabad police and then Delhi police too. So अभी अगर आपको future perspective से देखना है ना, तो फिर ethical hacking along with forensics, if you have knowledge of both the things, you are having a very bright future. क्योंकि अभी बहुत ज़्यादा डिमांड है इस चीज़ की.
Sir, forensics के.
Forensics and both of them means you should be having the knowledge of attacking someone, and you should be having the knowledge of if somebody is attacked and how to trace back things.
Okay, sir.
So autopsy is the part of that, and there are many more right here and all. If anybody is feeling boring, then just you can let me know. But because फिर समझ नहीं आएगा कुछ भी इसीलिए.
No, sir.
So you will speak more.
No, sir.
Thanks. Okay, fine. So we'll be using Kali as our attacking device. Okay, and हमारे पास एक Android device भी चाहिए ओके तो फॉर दैट आई एम यूजिंग जेनीमोशन. आप लोग भी अपने सिस्टम में जेनीमोशन इंस्टॉल कर लेना. Okay, if you get time, install Genymotion in your systems.
Sir, I was using Android Studio. Is it okay?
It's okay, but it's really very, very bulky.
Yes, sir. Yes, but I have good processor, so it's working fine, sir.
So just tell me one thing. Okay, if you are good at work, so should I give you too much of work to do?
No, sir.
Obviously.
Okay, sir. Got it, sir.
सिस्टम में काफी कुछ होता है करने के लिए, तो फिर मींस लाइक ओवरलोड करके कोई फायदा नहीं है. क्योंकि जेनीमोशन में आपको मिल जाएगा, इट्स विल बी वेरी फास्ट एंड इजी. So here we are having Genymotion. Here after installation ना you will get Android API option over here. ठीक है, आप यहाँ पे डालो API and आप select कर सकते हो. You can select the API that you want. You want 10th version, 9th version, 8th version. Okay, anyone. Like for example आपको Android API 10 चाहिए. ठीक है, just select this and then click on plus sign. So you will get all the supported phones over here, which are available with Genymotion. Samsung Galaxy S10, Pixel 3a, Pixel 3. You can use this ones, any one of them. Just check this box and do next. Okay, the phone will be installed in your system. If you go for any other like 9th version, you can see I'm having already one. So you can see there are many more models over here. Okay, you can just select any model to do your Android testing and all. So अभी मेरे पास Google Pixel है, तो उसको मैं start कर लेता हूँ. It will be by target device because it is not advisable to use your own phone for practicing purpose because you may harm your system. Okay, so that's fine. It takes some time to start up. Till then, let's go to Khan. Now see, visible है सभी को?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
क्या है?
दिखा रहा है अभी कुत्ती नहीं का.
हेलो, वो इस दे यार भाई माइक बंद करके भी बात कर रहे हो यार ऐसे.
Sir, to send this outside the network, we need a routable IP, right?
You can use directly Nzlock. ठीक है. और सबसे बढ़िया में से एक काम आप कर सकते हो. If you don't want to do these all things, just right now you said that thing. Okay, you can just do port forwarding in your router. That's all.
Yes, support forwarding.
Okay, that will be enough for you. जिन लोगों को समझ नहीं आया पोर्ट फॉरवर्डिंग एंड ऑल, जिनको नहीं पता है, those who are new to this, you can ask me later on anytime. Okay, Piyush has my number. You can take it from him or I will give it to you. Android better reverse TCP. Okay, fine. Endorsed shell port and everything is done. So now see, as he told right now that normally nowadays the Android payloads are not working. He is right. Okay, Android payloads do not work in the latest version of mobile phones, but it can be solved. Okay, the reason behind not working is the signing of APK files. Okay, because in the latest versions of Android phones, those files which are not signed will not be executed. Fine. And Metasploit में जो हमारे APK files मीन्स लाइक APK के जो पेलोड्स हम बनाते हैं मोबाइल फोन हैक करने के लिए, तो वो नॉर्मली साइंड नहीं होते हैं. ओके, सो वी हैव टू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल साइन दोस APKs. सो यू कैन सी अभी हमारे पास फाइल क्रिएट हो चुका होगा androidshell.apk. यू कैन सी हियर वेयर ये दिख रहा है, ये देखो, यू कैन सी द फाइल इज क्रिएटेड नाउ. यू कैन सी इट इन द एक्सप्लोरर आल्सो. Android shell.apk file. You can see the APK file is means like opened over here, created over here. Now we have to use this APK file only to hack into the Android device. But wait a minute. If I'll use this APK directly right now, it will not work. As I said, it will not be hacking your Android device. Okay, but मुझे इसको hack करना है. Okay, so for that I'll be using Zip-Align. Zip-Align is a tool which is actually used. But see, before Zip-Align, you have to make a key store in your device. Okay. इसको कहते हैं की टूल. देखो जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे पहले की टूल जनरेट किया है. ओके, की टूल जेन की बैलेंस की स्टोर डॉट एलियास. ओके, एलियास मैंने कुछ भी डाल दिया मींस आई कैन जस्ट क्रिएट एनी एलियास कैन आल्सो डू दैट यू हैव टू मेक दैट यू हैव टू जस्ट state at which algorithm you are using, bit of the algorithm and the time of its validity. So these all things are written over here before doing the signing process. If you want a detailed information about this, okay, you can just research later on, okay, on this. मैं एक काम करूँगा, ये सारे commands copy paste कर दूँगा उसमें, means like inside your chat box, so that you can use it. Because we don't have that much time right now to explain everything. इसके पीछे बहुत कुछ है, देखिए मैं सारा कुछ explain अभी नहीं कर पाऊँ. So just see the output. Zip align space minus v verbose and 4 times. Okay, then after that Android APK file. This was the raw APK file that was created by Metasploit. And उसको हम क्या कर रहे हैं, साइन कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. न्यू APK फाइल, उसका नाम क्या है, signjar.apk. So press enter. Oh, it's already exist. Sorry, पहले मुझे डिलीट करना पड़ेगा. I might have done it before. Yeah. Okay, so you can see verification successful right now. Everything is compressed. You can see. So it is all done. ठीक है, अभी हमारे पास आप देखो, if you can check it out over here, we have the signed APK file created right now. ये रहा हमारे पास signed file. Okay, one more thing before moving on to the attacking phase. I don't know whether the time is up or not because I think. Hello, Piyush, are you there?
Sir,
Hello?
you can continue.
Okay, fine then. Okay, so we have the file signedjar.apk and we have to just copy this file into our Android device. Okay, so इसको उधर ले जाने के means like either you can upload it into some file sharing websites or you can just use service. Apache to start. Okay, I just started the Apache server on my Kali system. Okay, and फिर मैं इसको local host पे share कर सकता हूँ. So you can see here my file was this signedjar.apk. Copy this thing and paste it in the shared folder where www html and here.
Sir, rather then we can use directly a Python server on that directory.
Yes, you can use. There are many different ways to do it. You can directly share. अभी देखो, इतना भी नहीं करना होता. You can just do it like this also.
Yes, sir.
Like,
this is also good way.
हाँ, drag and drop. समझ रहे हो ना? Okay. Inside our, you can see file. यहाँ पे आप जाओगे मशीन में.
Yes, sir. Host to binary.
हाँ, yes. Okay. Bidirectional लिखा होता है.
Bidirectional, yes.
You can just do that thing. तो फिर मैं I'm not going that way. मैं बस बता रहा हूँ.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So it is now kept it over here. Now मेरा IP address क्या था? Yes. Now I can access my files by using this IP address. ठीक है? Just a minute. Now see, you can also make FUDs, FUDs, but those things are illegal to teach. Okay, means FUD मतलब any file that cannot be detected by the antivirus. FUD FUD vectors. Okay, fine. So अभी हमारे पास वो file download करना है, तो we have to just write the IP address over here and press enter. And you can see यहाँ पे हमारे पास signed jar file available है, ठीक है? We got it. So in folder. So here is the jar file. I'm just cutting it from here and pasting on the desktop. Right, so this is the file APK file and we got it. Now अभी हमारे पास Genymotion है. अब इस Genymotion में हमें इस फाइल को इंस्टॉल करना है, ठीक है? But before doing those things, now see, अभी क्या है कि we have created a APK file, okay, and we have signed that APK file too. Clear? Now before giving this file to someone else, make sure that you have a listener onto your side. Okay, let us suppose जैसे कि मैंने आप लोगों का कि मुझे बाद में कॉल कर लेना, ठीक है? एंड मैं आपको अपना नंबर ही ना दूं. So what is the point of saying that thing? Okay. So similarly here also, मैंने अभी जो APK फाइल क्रिएट की है उसमें एक लोकल होस्ट डाला हुआ है. Okay, that is my reverse IP address. So I'm telling that file that whenever you're getting installed into someone's mobile phone, please call me back onto this number. Okay, so there should be someone over here to pick the call. That means to pick the connection. Okay, so for that we require to start a listener. Okay, so MSF console. Now this is the step. These are the steps for starting the listener right now. So I'm looking at MSF console, and then after I will wait for it to start.
So Netcat can be also used.
Net cannot be used, but Netcat is not so interactive. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so Meterpreter is much more interactive than Netcat. Ready to start.
So what is reverse IP address?
See, like for example, you have created a Trojan file. Okay, आपने Trojan बनाया, मैंने वो file आपको दे दी. I will give that file to you, and I want your system to hack into your system. So obviously, I need to provide an IP address. I need to provide the IP address inside the file that I've given you. ठीक है? So that जब
Yes,
आपके
sir.
सिस्टम में वो इन्फेक्शन होगी तो आपके सिस्टम से कनेक्शन जनरेट होगा जो कि उस IP एड्रेस पे वापस आएगा. Got it? And वो IP एड्रेस किसका होगा? That IP address will be of the attacker. Clear है? Yes or no?
Yes sir.
So this is our MSF console. अब यहाँ पे हमें यूज करना है use exploit multi and ठीक है. Enter. Set payload. Android. दिख नहीं रहा ना. So auto complete. Asset and host. Help port we used was 4444.
4444. Yes, sir.
Exploit exploit and wait. Okay. Now you can see it is waiting for the exploit. It is waiting for the reverse TCP connection. Okay. So it's okay. And now we will just move back to our Windows.
Yes.
And this was the file, signed file. इसको इधर डाला. ठीक है. यहाँ पे आपको दिखा ये मेन एक्टिविटी इंस्टॉल हो चुका है इधर. ठीक है. अभी यहाँ जाते हैं. देखो क्या हुआ. आपको दिख रहा है? Can you see the Meterpreter?
Yes
Hello?
sir.
Yes, sir. Connection successful.
कनेक्शन सक्सेसफुल एंड ये कनेक्शन ब्रेक भी नहीं होगा. ओके. अब आपको जितनी हैकिंग करनी है इसमें आप करो. पोस्ट एक्सप्लॉइटेशन करना है पोस्ट एक्सप्लॉइटेशन करो. यू कैन सी एंड्रॉइड 9 लिनक्स. ओके. सो मोबाइल सक्सेसफुली हैक. इसके अंदर आपको जो मर्जी करना है मींस लाइक व्हाटएवर नॉलेज मींस द अमाउंट ऑफ नॉलेज दैट यू हैव इन पोस्ट एक्सप्लॉइटेशन दैट यू कैन एक्सप्लॉइट दैट यू कैन
सर,
अप्लाई.
persistence कैसे रखें?
इसके लिए भी कमांड है इसमें. काफी कुछ है मैंने भी बताया लाइक
Yes, sir.
सो अभी मींस आई डोंट
Okay, sir.
हैव
समझ गया. नहीं हो. Yes, sir.
I got it. I'm just closing it right now. Hopefully you understood this much. आपका ये प्रॉब्लम
Yes,
सॉल्व
sir,
हो गया ना.
yes.
मुझे कनेक्शन नहीं बन रहा था.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ठीक है.
Yes sir.
I'm closing it now. And now keyword sessions. It means if you have any query, you can ask me. Because if you go more into this, there are many more attacks to be done. Okay.
Sir, how to contact you?
The biggest question.
Yes sir.
See, Piyush will be having my number, or if let me ask him if he can share. Or
Yes, sir, I will share your number with them. Otherwise, I will make a group with you.
Sure.
सर ग्रुप
please
बन
make a
जाएगा तो
group.
अच्छा होगा सर.
हाँ?
यस सर. हाँ ग्रुप अच्छा रहेगा सर.
हाँ,
Yes
कोई
sir
बात
group.
नहीं. ठीक है. ग्रुप में मुझे भी ऐड कर देना.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine then. If you have any questions right now, I know that I think many of you might be having like समझ नहीं आया होगा. हमें बहुत कुछ समझ नहीं आया होगा टॉपिक में भी. Okay, but it's okay. Nobody is born intelligent. होता है. You have to just work on it, and you will get it. If you will start now, so it's never too late. So if you have any questions right now, you can ask me. कोई क्वेश्चन है तो पूछ लो. Anyone?
सर आई गेस ये लोग आपसे क्वेश्चन सीधा पर्सनल मैसेज पे ही करेंगे.
Sir, how can we make undetectable backdoor for Windows?
No, sorry, I can just tell you the name, but I cannot teach you this thing. It's not good. So you can just use FUD cryptors.
Sorry, sir.
FUD cryptors. FUD.
Fully undetectable.
Cryptors.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. उसका एक एग्जांपल है AGIS cryptor. AGEIS. ठीक है. And there are many manual methods also to do that. But for that you should be good in reverse engineering. And
Yes, sir.
code of
Hexabytes.
So अभी के लिए रहने दो. Any other question?
No, sir, not.
We made a backdoor and we want to try it on some antivirus programs so that we are sure that it's not undetectable.
वायरस टोटल पे कर लो अपलोड.
सर बट वॉइस टोटल उसको अगर बाई चांस उसने डिलीट कर
हाँ।
लिया तो वो अपडेट कर देता है.
अपडेट कर देता है तो
हाँ।
सॉरी वो मींस लाइक अपडेट कर देता है सब इज राइट. देयर इज वन मोर वेबसाइट फॉर दैट. there is one more website. I don't remember the exact name. Okay, there is one more website normally used for the same purpose.
Anon
Okay,
files.
मेरे को याद नहीं आ रहा यार नाम. I need to check it out once.
Anon files sir. Anonfiles.com.
Anonfiles.com पक्का है.
हाँ किया ट्राई.
सर मैं एक nodistribute.com भी ट्राई किया था लेकिन उस पर शायद शेयर हो जाता है अपना सिग्नेचर.
हाँ तो वो फिर पंगा करेंगे. मैं सिर्फ शेयर अगर वो शेयर होगा तो वो फिर पढ़ नहीं रहेगा ना. Anonfiles.com
सिर्फ Anon files डालो आ जाएगा.
कि मैंने यूज तो नहीं किया. इट इज अ फाइल. इट इज अ
सर ये शेयर करने के
ये
लिए
तो
देता
शेयर
है.
करने के लिए भाई. इट्स अ फाइल शेयरिंग साइट. क्या पीयूष? हेलो.
पीयूष
ये फाइल शेयरिंग. अरे वो मेरे को याद था मैं भूल गया. मैं इसको नहीं. आई विल जस्ट लेट यू नो. ओके
ओके सर.
ओके.
so you add the
Okay, fine then. If no questions are there, then we'll see later on when we meet again. Okay. Okay,
Yes,
Piyush?
sir.
Okay sir. That's about.
Yes, sir.
Hopefully it was like satisfactory for you all.
Yep. Guys, I will be sharing a feedback form with you all on your registered mail IDs. Kindly fill
Okay.
that.
Sure. Thank you very much.
And
Okay, bye,
thank you,
everyone.
Krishna sir, for
So it was a
coming and
nice
joining
class,
us.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome guys. Bye
Thank you,
everyone. Welcome.
Thank you so much.